They pulled her over, then realized she prosecutes cases against bad cops. It was just after sunset when Florida State Attorney Danielle Price, dressed in a tailored Navy suit and driving her government-issued sedan, was pulled over without explanation by two uniformed officers on a quiet residential road. Her brake light wasn't out, she wasn't speeding, and she hadn't violated any traffic rules. As she rolled down her window, one officer approached cautiously while the other stayed near the back, hand on his holster. License and registration. The lead officer barked, avoiding eye contact. Danielle remained calm. "May I ask the reason for the stop, officer?" He shifted, clearly uncomfortable. "Just a routine check," he replied vaguely. Danielle handed over her ID without a word. The officer looked down and suddenly paled. Printed on the card in bold letters, Danielle Price, State Attorney, 9th Judicial Circuit. He swallowed hard. "You're a state attorney?" She nodded. "Yes, and this is the third time I've been pulled over in this district without cause. I assume your dashcam is running." The second officer, now visibly nervous, mumbled, "It is." Danielle's voice didn't rise, but her tone was steel. "Then you'll have no issue with me requesting the footage. I'll be submitting a formal inquiry to your department and internal affairs. You're aware that I oversee prosecutions involving police misconduct, correct?" Both officers stood stiffly, no longer cocky or confrontational. "Ma'am, we didn't mean any offense," the first one said quickly. "We just did your job poorly," she interrupted. "Stopping citizens without probable cause is unconstitutional. Doing it to the person responsible for prosecuting those violations? That's just reckless." She rolled up her window, made a quick note of their badge numbers, and drove off. By the following afternoon, dashcam footage of the stop had reached the police chief's desk, along with a formal complaint backed by the state attorney's office. Both officers were placed under immediate review, and mandatory department-wide training on racial profiling and constitutional policing was announced within the week. When a reporter later asked Danielle why she pursued the matter so forcefully, she answered simply, "Because I want the streets safe, not just for me, but for the countless black men and women who don't have a title to protect them." She didn't need outrage, she had the law, and she knew exactly how to use it.